family and for friends, for other people I didn't know their name. I'm here today to thank for Ned and thank you for everyone for your attendance here today. My name is Ben Bundat. I'm the Executive Director of the Liga Central Highland Organization. I'm here to present the Liga people to pay respect, love, and to thank Mr. Ned Taylor. We are here today to remember and celebrate Mr. Ned because he was a very good man and loved the Foro Army so much. I am a Foro soldier. I was very young when I saw him. He had camera crew and interviewed my leader, Ipanyun and Ihimie, along with some of his officers or the deal discussed what should be done to make decision for us.
I have this over here.
Ned Taylor asked Mr. Ipanyun, what come to your mind next? Do you want to continue to fight here or you want to go to third country to save your people? Colonel Yun and other leaders said if they had proof that Emmanuel was indeed, they would consider to go to USA. But if when we go to another country, our resistance will continue until we get back the land that belongs to us. Yun said, I don't want to go to free nation. He added, I want to stay here because this is my battlefield. This is my responsibility, but I have no supply or help from free country.
Right here.
1 week after we met, the United Nations peacekeeping came over to protect us from the Vietnam troops who were coming to destroy us. Ned Taylor requests the United States to give us support and supply to our military to help our troops to defend themselves so we continue to fight for our freedom. To respond, that request was negative. They give us only one condition to drop our weapon and get to another third country. Next said, I continue to connect with the Special Force and the Green Beret for the sponsorship. It would not take that long. Just 2 days after that we have answered. After a couple of days, they accept the Foro to go to the United States. And there are helicopters come to pick us to the Phnom Penh. In October 1992, the State Department and UNHCR came to file our paperwork. 1 week after, we already got IOM paid. We will go to the United States of America. Ned used his all power to let the world to know that the Liga people were abandoned for a long time. No one came to help the Liga Foro in the jungle. Mr. Ned opened his heart, rescued us from the danger place, and reset us to the new way of life. We Liga very much respect for him because he is the great man to us. He is saved 400 men and women and children. When we arrived in the USA, Mr. Ipanyun had problem and passed away on November 2007. I established the Liga Central Highland Organization to continue his legacy of his dream to fight for freedom to the Liga people in the Central Highland of Vietnam. The Liga people are suffering greatly under Vietnam persecution and genocide. Recently on Easter week this year, the Vietnam police used excessive force against the men and women and children. They guard the pastor everywhere they going, arrest them if they go to another villages for the Easter celebration. Last week on April 2023, the Iga people stood up for protest in the valley of
So,
the Unmata. The Vietnam have been sent the police troops to stop the people protest peacefully, but Vietnam government sent 100 of the police and asked were against them like criminal. Many men, Dega men and women and children got beat up and even missing. This is happened to everywhere in the Central Highland. Our land have been taken away, and we are pushing to the rocky and unpleasant place in our country. There are more than 1,000 Niga refugees in Thailand. Most of them have been stuck in there 15 to 17 years because up to this point, the United States has shut the door on the Niga refugees. We hope and we ask the United States government to rescue them. We keep asking the government of the United States to not abandon us anymore. We do our best to report it and all activity and event that happen to our people to the State Department. The United States, the United States nation, and everywhere possible to ask for help. We wish that there are more angels like Mr. Ned here who have the heart to their people. Thank you. Thank you for listening.